So how do you create video marketing that really stands out? Because in B2B marketing has a reputation for being a bit boring. But the reality is that it can be really exciting. Z-Scale created marketing where they blew stuff up, where there are flamethrowers, where there are explosions, where the stuff being destroyed. And the reason is that if you look at board members, they don't want to be sitting there talking about cybersecurity for a week. So when people come in and talk to them about cables and equipment, and all they want to do is blow that stuff up. So Z-Scale's marketing spoke to that. We created something again for one of the UK's 10 largest brands last year in B2B marketing. So it won big at the B2B marketing awards. And it was the same thing again. It really stood out. And the reason for that is it spoke to the pain at the heart of those decision makers. So we can create amazing stuff if we start from that principle. We can put in explosions and flames and all kinds of destruction and amazing and wonderful things if it really speaks to the heart of what those decision makers want. And that will allow you to create amazing marketing, help drive your solution through, get you onto more shortlists, and generate more sales.
In the good old days, that's when you say, I swear you ain't seen nothing yet.